Spekboom, bacon tree, pork bush, elephant's foot, call it what you will, Portulacaria has shot to great fame, and for good reasons. A plant loved by many, not only in South Africa but all over the world, the Spekboom took the media by storm. Plant it and you'll save the world. Well, how true is that? Yes, there are results by NASA that planting these does help with oxygen. It certainly helps to absorb some bad chemicals in the air. And of course, most importantly, it's the plant of the elephants. It's the staple food of the elephants where they used to roam in the Eastern Cape. Belongs to a small genus of family. Incredibly versatile plant. This is Portulacaria afra. You can see it's nice and tall. It's been in this spot probably for about 2 years. Traditionally and knowing of how to identify it, it always has these early red stems. So early red stems which will later then turn darkish brown. The leaves are edible, of course, quite tart. But what can this be used for? Well, in this gravel garden, it does the job just perfectly. Never getting any water from the tap except what comes from the sky. Can be used beautifully as a hedge in a semi-shaded spot. It can also be clipped into a topiary. There's a variegated form, there's beautiful prostrate forms, and you name it, there is a Portulacaria that will suit anybody's garden. Besides using as hedges, as feature plants, or in rockeries, of course they make great container specimens. And remember, I've said to you, that's even with low light, even if it just gets not direct sun, but just some filtered light coming through. What then happens is the leaves start getting bigger, obviously because they're looking for more chlorophyll. But talking about the size of the leaves, that's the beauty about the different varieties that have been bred. And that is not through hybridization, that is not through genetic modification, guys. That is just that one plant will all of a sudden start showing different characteristics. But what we have here are 3 different varieties. My favorite has to be this beautiful, oh, I mean, look at it. Tiny leaves, beautiful red stems, and this is Portulacaria afra nana. Okay, nana meaning small. Some people call it procumbens nana, which means low, trailing. And you can see why people would take it and kind of create a little pseudo bonsai out of it. Completely beautiful. This is ordinary Portulacaria afra, but it has a smaller leaf. Okay, so quite sticky, quite minimalistic, but still stunning. And then this is the one that we just saw in the rock garden, in the gravel garden, which is ordinary Portulacaria afra.